Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code in Word. So this is straightforward and it's going to be a very easy step to follow. So first let me delete this one. I'm going to delete this one from here. And then remember, when you scan this QR code, it should take you to a particular site or a file that you link. So this time around I've provided a link over here, even though it's not related to these details, but I just want to show you what this is actually going to do. So this is actually going to be a QR code that is going to work. So when you scan this, it should take you to this website. So this is what we're going to do. Let's get back here. Now, this is a data and this contains the link to where this data can be obtained. Though these are random figures, all we have to do here is to come to the top, go to the top, and then in caps just type display. So just type display barcode. So that is it, and put in double quotes. And then when you come down here to the last text you have over there, put a double quote over there and then put QR. So that is basically all we need to do. And then now highlight your entire text and then press Ctrl plus F9 and then press F9, and then you can see this is actually going to generate our QR code, and it's very simple and it's straightforward. Now let's confirm if this QR code is actually working. So what I have to do is I'm going to go on my phone. So when I go on my phone, I'm actually going to capture this and let's see if indeed this QR code is working. So I'm going to scan this. As you can see, I'm scanning this and let's see if it's going to open the website for us. So as you can see, I'm able to open this website. So what it means is that the QR code that I created is actually working perfectly, and you can display that anywhere and anybody can scan and visit this website. It could be your details that you have on your website or some particular resource you want people to access or download. So this is basically going to be straightforward, and this is how to create a barcode. Remember to like, subscribe if today is your first time visiting my channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get more techniques, more IT tips and tricks right here on this channel. Bye bye.